Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of industrial strength with the 12-pack mini hand stretch wrap, a powerhouse in packaging solutions. This premium 80-gauge shrink film is designed for heavy-duty tasks, offering superior load retention that secures your items even in the toughest transit conditions. Whether you're moving furniture, securing pallets, or packing up for storage, this versatile shrink wrap is your go-to solution, faster and more efficient than traditional strapping and taping methods. Its self-adhering nature means it clings to itself, preventing dust and dirt from sticking, while its transparent finish allows for easy identification of your items. Not only is it economical, but it also applies faster and more securely than alternatives like tape or twine, making it perfect for both consumer and commercial use. Ideal for a variety of applications, from binding furniture to protecting electronics, this stretch wrap is a must-have for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient packing solution. So, wrap it up with confidence and ensure your items are safe and secure with this heavy-duty stretch film. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.